Okay, this is Wade with Saber Concepts. This is another Qui Gon install I did. It has a NB 3.0 with a Pro-Qui font and the Stoic font. And let me show you how to access the fonts. Just unscrew the pommel. And of course, this is one of GOTH's wonderful chassis here. There's your kill key. And this is one of the ones that you can rotate it to turn it on and off. And there's access to the SD card right there. And right now I have it in the on position. Okay, and for this one, it's a single button setup, and you use the main button. You just barely have to touch it.
I have a very particular set of skills. Skills I've acquired over a very long career. Skills that make me a nightmare for people like you. I will look for you. I will find you. And I will kill you.
And of course, that's the taken boot sound. And this is using a tri-CREE. That's green, green, white. That's your swing sounds. That's your clash. And power it down. And go to the other font. You just hold the button down.
Concentrate on the moment. Feel. Don't think. Use your instincts.
Swing sounds. Clash. And once again, this is Wade with Saber Concepts. Thank you for looking.